Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So one of our subscriber requests me to do a video like how to take wire takeoff in electrical drawing from Revit. So let's go for the new and I will go for the browse. Let's choose English because I want to do in MM. So let's select default electrical. Where is this default electrical default? Oh, we will go with this one. Open and press OK. So why I go to electrical default? Because I don't want to make too many setups. So just go to the wall. So we need a wall. That's all. So I will go with the 5,000. Let's go 15,000. Again 5,000. So let's get closer. So here I'll go to the system and let's put some one device. For now, one device is enough. Okay, again go to the system, electrical, electrical equipment, and we will put one. Electrical. So let's check this voltage 277 device. Also, I hope 277. Okay, this one is 120. So let's change this one to 277. I hope you know because uh, if you don't know, check my all other video. So you will learn everything. So this is normally for the advanced people. If you want, if you don't know too many things, also okay, you can view this video, no problem. So this one now I will connect power. So there will be no dB will be here. See, this one is coming because I didn't give any panel name. So click this one panel. We will give panel name dB. Let's go capital dB dash 001. Okay. So now you will see the dB name here. Okay. So that's all. So let's go dimension di. So if you see the distance between these two is 15 meter. So let's go for the view and schedule quantity. Here I will choose electrical circuit. Okay. Okay. Now panel name. So we need panel and face label. Yes. And then the length. Yes. And also obviously wire type. Wire size? No, we will go with the wire type because these are the standard American standard, British standards applied here. So we cannot use here because if you are working in the American or in the British, it's okay for you. Directly you can take. I will show you how to change the wire size also. Okay. So if you see here, DB001, base label is A, length is 18,829 mm. Let's change the unit to meter. Length, I'll go with the meter. Okay. So I have 15 meter, but you see here it is coming almost 19 meter. So 4 meter is additional for the tolerance of uh, termination and drop. So if you go a section, let's go for the section, go to view. Okay. So if you see from the top, you will have 4 meter and here also 3 meter, almost 7 meter. But if you see from the bottom, okay, now I have to change again the length. We'll go with the 2 decimal. Okay. So half meter. So let's go with here. 1.2. So if you see, we have 15. If you calculate with this, almost 2 meters, 17 meter. But here you have 18 point something. So if you calculate the upper part, 2.8, 3.5, meaning 5 plus 3.3 plus 15, 18.3. So it is 18.83. So almost closer. So this length taken by top. That meaning the cable goes up and run in the slab and dock it to the sockets. Anyhow, you can take all the length like this, but for the safe side, you have to add 20 or 25% something for the termination and everything. So the another thing I want to tell you, if I select another circuit, no, if I add another device, normally we used to draw. Let's add this device, edit circuit. So let's say this. Okay, I think length will change. No, it didn't change. So it's taking out home run only, maybe. So let's draw wire. Let's see what's happening. System wire. Okay. So 1 point, 2 point, and also 3 point. Okay. So let's check. It's coming same. So let's check this one. This is AB1, and let's go for the one also. So let's go change the phase, manage, electrical setting, and general. So let's make R, Y, B. Okay. So the dB you can name by phase. Where is the naming? Circuiting naming by phase. So you can go TG. It's also R1. It's also R1. Okay. So the length still 18.3. So the reality, if you draw detail line, they will not take the conduits to pull wire same of what I have drawn. So they will take something like this. 1. So you will see 6, 2. You can consider another 6, 12, and 4, 16. Okay. So this is how they will take. So drop up, drop up, drop up. So it can be from the below, because how Revit calculating, there's no idea. Still I am searching. If I found, I will put another video for that one. So it can be in the section, it can be from down, connect, 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 connect. So the circuiting almost 18.83. Anyhow, you have to add 20% extra for the save side. So what about the lighting? I will to edit. Let's rename this one 4 by 4 mm2 wire. Okay. So okay plus okay. So you will see here the wire is here. You can select this one. So you can assign the wire. Okay. So when you're taking a schedule, you have this wire and this is the length, and this is the phase label. Okay. And this is the panel. So let's another circuit, another device. So let's go here, CS, and we will put it here, and here we will connect. Okay. So when you taking the wire, Okay, this is R2. So system wire. So this is the wire type I chose. I think it will come. Okay. Okay, it's came. So maybe I have another type of wire. Let's do another circuit. Okay, it's here. So I'm taking wire, edit type, duplicate. So this time I will go with the 6 mm. Okay, okay, okay. Don't need this one. Really. This two I don't need it. Okay, so I will connect here. Okay, escape. If you go here, you will not see any length because still I didn't connect to the circuit. Power. So already connected. Let's see. Okay. So DB001 Y circuit. You see it's 4 by 6 mm. Okay. I hope you understand very well. So Y1 and this is R2. Okay. So I hope you understand very well. Same concept, even you are pulling cable to the DB or SNDB, air breathing. First, you have to read it. Anyhow, if you are working, if you are in America or British, you can go manage electrical setting. Sorry, electrical setting, and there is a wiring size. You can play here whatever you want because I don't know correctly how they manage to put the wire sizing everything. So here already available. I think they goes with the AWG. So here the wires many type. You can use it. I hope I understand. If you don't understand, message me, comment me, and when I am getting time, I will reply by video or by message. So until next video, take care. Assalamu alaikum. And I hope you understand very well. If you don't understand, just give me a message. Take care. Bye.